Hi everybody, I'm going to show you a quick little rub that I use on a lot of my fish, chicken, or other foods. It works great. So these are all the ingredients. There's onion powder, garlic powder, smoked paprika, honey granules, and there's Italian seasoning, some dry mustard, and some steak seasoning. Any brands will really do. And what I do is I do some equal parts. Put it in a thing. I'm going to do the paprika last. If there's a particular one that you like best, you could add a little bit more. I'm not an exact measuring kind of person, which is why I don't bake. Because baking you have to be exact measurement. Just a little bit of the mustard, some steak seasoning. Helps if I do it the right way. And sometimes I leave it at this. Sometimes I will add the smoked paprika because sometimes you want a smoked feeling and it tastes better, and sometimes you don't. So then I take all of this and I put it in my container, shake it up, and there is my little rub. You could add, like I said, a little bit more. Sometimes I don't put the smoke seasoning in. Sometimes I do. Depends on if I want it to taste smoky or not. And I always have some of this handy. It's especially good on fish. It's good on chicken. I've even used some on steak, but I usually don't like the smoked part on that. Salmon is a great one. Snapper is another great one that it's on. Tonight I used it on hogfish. So that's just my little quick tip of the day. Hope you enjoy it.